Hey guys, Tim Bray here, Seaport Real Estate Group with
Brittany Carr.
Super excited today. I feel like we've passed this point where we need to get even more creative than we have been. How are we going to do that?
Well, we have more video, more photography, more design happening, so I'm getting swamped.
So what I'm hearing is you have too much work.
Lots.
And so you need some help.
I do.
And she is doing awesome. Everything she's doing is getting received extremely well. The dog's about ready to jump into the water. So what we're looking for is we're looking for somebody to work with Brittany. We're looking for somebody that's extremely creative, fun, energetic, high energy, teachable. Don't do it. Don't do it. He was gonna jump. Loves animals. Not allergic.
Not
to
allergic.
Animals. High energy environment. Again.
Good with deadlines.
Good with deadlines.
Good with deadlines. Yeah. Things change all the time.
So what do you need help with? What are some of the things that these people should be adept in doing?
Definitely social media, all platforms. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We just started up a Pinterest page, so that would be pretty helpful.
We do
blogs. Blogs would be
blogs,
good too.
Huge
Being good
video.
at blogs.
Yeah.
Some, Photoshop skills, video skills.
Creativity. So if you're thinking
Design.
about this, so what job is this? This is summer intern. So this is paid summer intern. If you're interested in working with Seaport Real Estate Group, Brittany Carr and Tim Bray and the team, send in a video. Send it to
Brittany at seaportre.com. We can put it in the description.
Yeah, and even better if your family has a boat that you'd like to use for the summer. That's great. So we're always looking for perks, right?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, bring the heat, bring the energy. We'd love to hear from you.
Can you sit with me?
Sit with Brett.
I'm gonna sit and poop.
That's right.
Ew.